The biggest difference between OpenSky and Discover It, secured in 2026, is cost. OpenSky charges a $35 annual fee, while Discover It Secured has a $0 annual fee. That alone changes which card makes more sense if you're building credit on a budget. By the end of this, you'll know which card is easier to get, which saves more money, and which one has better long-term value. Here's the direct answer. If approval is your only concern, OpenSky is easier. If you want the better all-around card, Discover usually wins. That's the quick answer. Approval.com. OpenSky does not check your credit when you apply. That makes it one of the easiest secured cards to qualify for. If you've been denied elsewhere or have serious credit damage, that matters. Discover It Secured does check your credit. That means approval is less automatic. If your credit is rough but not completely broken, you may still qualify. But OpenSky has the easier path. That's the first major difference. Section 2. Fees and rewards. OpenSky charges $35 every year. That's a real cost for just keeping the card open. It also requires a refundable security deposit. Discover It Secured also needs a deposit. But there's no annual fee. That already makes it cheaper. Then there's rewards. Discover gives cash back on purchases. OpenSky does not. That means Discover gives you value while you build credit. OpenSky only gives you the credit building part. That's a big gap. Section 3. Long-term value. This is where Discover pulls away. Discover can review accounts over time for graduation to an unsecured card. That matters. It gives you a path forward. OpenSky is mostly a starter card. It helps establish payment history. But it doesn't offer the same long-term flexibility. That makes it harder to keep once your score improves. Quick recap. OpenSky is easier to get because there's no credit check. Discover It Secured costs less because there's no annual fee. Discover also adds rewards and better long-term potential. Your next step is simple. Try Discover first if you think you can qualify. If you need the easiest approval possible, OpenSky is the backup option. If this helped you compare both cards faster, like the video and subscribe.